Offstreet is a B2B SaaS company, and we work with organizations to help them manage their guest parking. In the parking industry kind of parlance, it's typically called a parking validation, which basically means you're someone who's like a special guest, so you don't have to pay for parking. In the very, very early days, it was kind of a typical startup. Kyle and I working in his spare bedroom. It was funny back in those days, you come into work, turn on your computer, your inbox has 0 messages, your Slack is completely empty, and it's just then an open day to figure out how you're going to try to get this going.
Offstreet started as an application to connect parking space owners with parkers, just like Airbnb. After launching this in Regina, we quickly realized that it wasn't a very lucrative business model. However, it allowed us to get our foot in the door in the parking industry. And from there, we pivoted to the platform that we now have today, which allows institutions to better manage their guest and event parking.
I think a lot of companies in the space look at guest parking as an afterthought, and for us, it's really our core focus. Another thing is that they're incredible partners for us. They give us honest and open feedback that I say really elevates Offstreet. They're not shy about telling us what they like and don't like about our product, and so as a product manager, that's a dream.
My favorite thing that I do at Offstreet is build and maintain the already strong culture that we have here, planning fun company events, and over the past year it definitely has been on recruiting and onboarding A players to this great team. Offstreet's 3 values are build the best experience, own the outcome, and good vibes, high standards.
Offstreet's grown like crazy since I first started. We originally worked with private parking operators and have now expanded to universities as well. Just in the past year and a half, we've started working with over 60 universities in North America, which is super exciting. I love being a part of this growth because I find the environment and the A+ players we have on the team really motivating to work around and beside. I'm inspired by them every day.